Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney and we have got a new pattern release from Love Notions today. It is so exciting. I'm going to talk about how this fits into their catalog. It's a little bit different than any other new pattern release, but before we get into that, today's the last day of the sale. So if you have any of the other patterns that you're really wanting to grab, this one is not part of the sale, but everything else, and also the new Bandcamp shirt, because that's a new pattern release, that's also not part of the sale. But everything else, all the rest of the patterns and classes are all 45% off with my code 10TKStitchery45. I know it's a long, clunky code. I apologize. But that is the code to get 45% off everything else at Love Notions. And again, today's the last day of the sale. So you really need to get in there and grab anything that you've been, had your eye on, that you're wanting to use for your fall sewing, and all of that. Okay, but today, this new pattern. So guys, this is the newest part of the t-shirt family here at Love Notions. It joins the Laundry Day tee and the Classic tee as part of their just standard t-shirt line, and it is the Barrington boxy t-shirt. It is so good. This has now become my favorite looser t-shirt pattern. Someone asked me that on Instagram the other day if what my favorite t-shirt pattern was, and I told them my favorite fitted t-shirt pattern, like really tight fitted t-shirt pattern for layering and that sort of thing, is the Cashmere Concord. But then at the time, my favorite, like a little bit looser t-shirt is the Love Notions Classic, but this has replaced it. This is now my favorite, like looser t-shirt. So we're going to talk a little bit about it. And then we are going to delve into what I did here and all sorts of things. This is actually an upcycle, which is very exciting. All right, so the Barrington is a boxier t-shirt pattern. So it's kind of fitted through the shoulders and bust, and then it's pretty straight from the bust to hip. It hits at high hip. I did nothing to the alteration of this. This is a medium with a full bust. I've done 0 alterations to this. So where you're seeing it hit on my body is where it hits. And I absolutely love it. Anyway, it comes with 3 different neckline options. It comes with the crew, which is what I did, and we'll talk about why here in a second, a scoop neck and a V-neck, and then it comes with 4 sleeves, a short sleeve, an elbow length sleeve, a 3/4 sleeve, and a long sleeve. So a pretty basic t-shirt pattern, just a little bit more modern silhouette. So why are they introducing this new pattern into their kind of t-shirt family? Well, for quite a long time now. If you follow Love Notions, you know that the Laundry Day tee has been their free pattern that comes with when you join their newsletter and or Facebook support group. And it has been that way for quite some time. You get a code and then you get the pattern for free. Well, they were thinking it's time for a little bit of an update. So now, Laundry Day tee, it's still in the catalog. You can still grab it. It's there. But it's $5 now. So you can get it for $5. It's just no longer the free pattern when you join the newsletter and Facebook group. Now the new pattern when you join the newsletter and or Facebook group is going to be the Classic tee. So the Classic tee was $5 on the site. Now it's the free pattern with when you join the newsletter and or Facebook group. $5 for the Laundry Day tee. So if it's in your catalog, you're good. Like, nothing, you don't have to do anything. Don't have to change anything. And then the Barrington is also going to be a $5 pattern on the site. So $5 today, $5 always. Just a really great, easy pattern. So while it's kind of the $5 pattern for today, this will always be $5, which is very exciting. Okay, let's talk about my inspiration, making of this one, and yeah, why I decided to do what I did, and we'll talk a little bit about the upcycle. Okay, so when I first got the notification from Tessa and Tammy that they were releasing this boxier t-shirt, just as kind of an update a little bit to their t-shirt catalog, I got really excited because I had just been pinning some ready-to-wear outfits that I wanted to recreate. Maybe you caught that video on Tuesday, but this image popped up. This was one that I really, really enjoyed. I love the barrel leg trend of jeans. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, that's fine. But I just love, even if you don't do barrel leg, even if you do like a wider leg or like a baggier leg jean, I just think it looks really cute and current with the boxier t-shirt that's kind of cropped. I say cropped because cropped on me is high hip. There's no midriff showing. So this, I wouldn't call this necessarily, my daughter would not call this a crop top, even though it's cropped because it hits high hip. You can do a little bit of a tuck with it if you want, but yeah, it's really great just untucked. I love this lady's look. I thought it looked so good with the jeans. I loved the wide navy and white stripe. So when they were announcing that they were releasing this pattern, I immediately went to my fabric stash, looked through. I have some thinner navy and white knit fabric that I thought, I could use. I've just got a couple of shirts that are already made up in that. And then I was digging through my bins where I have like larger scraps, things that could maybe get another garment out of. And I thought, I might be able to eke this out of some smaller pieces because it is a shorter t-shirt. I was doing the short sleeved and then the crew neck. And I came upon these two tops that I had thrifted. This looks just like this, but in navy and white instead of the camel and white. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's perfect. It is exactly what I need. This is a really, really lovely ribbed knit. It's like a ribbed knit, almost a double knit, ribbed on one side and then it's smooth on the back side. Yeah, because it's almost like a French terry weight, I would say. And it's got some lovely stretch to it. The fabric's just really beautiful, which is why I grabbed them both from Goodwill and thought, this is going to be perfect. If I can fit these pattern pieces on this shirt, then it's going to be perfect. So I cut the side seams, I cut the sleeves off and cut the back and the front apart at the shoulder seams, folded my front together on itself, was able to eke it out. Now I did have to get, you can tell, a little bit of the solid piece onto the bottom of the hem of this, but I think it's kind of cute and adds a little bit of a design detail because then I use the remainder of this solid piece of fabric for the neckband. But I went with the crew neck because of the inspiration picture. I felt like it hit just a little bit better. And I'm really glad that I did. I don't have a lot of crew neck things because technically that's a neckline that doesn't work with a large bust. But you know what? It's fun to play. And this worked out so perfectly. I left the original hem on the sleeve of the sleeve pattern just because I could, and that was one step that I didn't have to do. So after I put my sleeves in flat, I sewed up the side seam here all the way to the end, and then I just tied off my serging, which you could just backstitch if you were stitching, and then tucked that back inside so I could leave the hem as is. And I got some really good pattern matching, if I do say so myself. My stripes match up really well all along my side seam. And then keeping that band also around the side. I wanted to keep that where it, matched up really well too. So that was really the only tricky part. I did use my projector. My mannequin has lost her head here. I did use my projector to cut this out, and I think that worked really, really well, especially because I was messing around with the trying to get pattern placement really easily. I think the projector is just a little bit easier to work with because I can move things around and put things next to each other to make sure that I'm lining things up perfectly. So that worked really, really well. Like I mentioned, I made the size medium with a full bust, which is my normal size in Love Notions. And I had just enough to do this shirt. So now I'm thinking that this one is going to become the same pattern with the short sleeve, but actually I may leave the neckline of this just because it's a beautiful face, it's kind of a V. I guess I would call it a soft V neckline, but I may play around and just leave this neckline and see if I can make that work. So I would leave the shoulder seams. I don't know. I'll play around with it a little bit, but I think that this is also going to become the same shirt. So yeah, we'll see. The only thing I don't, and maybe it'd be okay because this isn't such a high contrast. The colors aren't as high contrast as the navy and white. Because I do like the fact that with the navy here at the bottom that I also have that mirrored with the navy at the neckband. But I wouldn't have that if I left the neckline on this. I don't know. We'll play around with that. But yeah, I think that this is also destined to become a Barrington as well. So this has absolutely become my new favorite loose fitting t-shirt pattern. And I feel like in looking at ready to wear right now that is very much the in style of t-shirt. Now, am I going to quit wearing my fitted t-shirts? No, I think those are great for layering and for all sorts of things, and I will definitely still continue those in my wardrobe. Plus, I like a more fitted top a lot of times when I'm wearing like looser, baggier jeans. Just, you know, I say looser and baggier, not skinny jeans, I guess. So I will keep a fitted t-shirt in my wardrobe, but this is just a fun twist on the t-shirt and just something a little different than what we've been seeing in recent years. So there you have it, guys. This is the Barrington, and it is lovely. $5 today and always. It doesn't work with the sale because it is a brand new one, nor does the band camp. But again, everything else, all the other patterns and classes are 45% off with my code. You have to have a code, and the regular code is just 40% off, but my code will get you 45% off. And again, that is 10 TK Stitchery 45. Put it right here, and that'll get you the 45% off everything else. So go take a look. All right. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Go have a look at the new Barrington. A really, really great deal and a good t-shirt to add to your wardrobe. And if you're having trouble sewing knits and you want a little hand holding, I have a class for that. Knit Sewing Essentials, I will link the class down below. But if you are interested in taking a look at that a little bit, I do hold your hand. If you've never sewn with knits before, or if you have and you want to know more tips and tricks and everything else, I show you how to sew knits on a sewing machine, a serger, cover stitch. So you can do everything on a sewing machine if you want to do everything on the sewing machine, but I walk your hand through, or hold your hand through, doing a t-shirt, but it's all sorts of like 4 different necklines. You know, we're doing different sleeves, different you know, hems and that sort of thing, depending on the machine you're using. So a great one if you are a little nervous about sewing with knits. Okay, that's all I got for today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Friday. Get some sewing in this weekend. The weather is really nice here, but it's going to be getting chilly here next week. So it's time to really get that fall sewing going, and I will see you guys again on Tuesday. Bye.